Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Concrete CMS on Rocky Linux 9.3. Concrete CMS is a open source content management system (CMS) that allows users to build and manage website easily. It provides a user-friendly interface and various tools and features for creating and maintaining web content. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.3. Now I am going to install Apache Web Server on my Linux machine by using the following command. The Apache web server has been installed successfully. Next, I am going to enable and start the Apache service by using the following command. Now I am going to check the status of Apache service by using the following command. Our Apache service is in active and running state. Next, I am going to install PHP and its module by using the following command. The PHP has been installed successfully. Now I am going to check the PHP version. Our PHP version is 8.0.30. Now I am going to install MariaDB by using the following command. Now the MariaDB has been installed successfully. Next, I am going to enable and start the MariaDB service by using the following command. Now I am going to check the status of MariaDB. Now the MariaDB is in active and running state. Now I am going to log in MariaDB console to create database and creating user to access database. Now I am entered MariaDB console. Here first I am creating database. Now the database has been created. Next I am going to create a user with password. Now the user has been created. Now I am going to give the full permission for the user to access the database. Now the permission has been given. Now give the plus privileges to apply all changes. Now exit from the MariaDB console. Now I am going to download the Concrete CMS package by using the wget command. Now we can view the package by long listing the files. This is the downloaded package. Next I am going to unzip the downloaded package by using the unzip command. Now the package has been unzipped successfully. Now we can view the unzipped directory by long listing the files. This is the unzipped directory. Now I am going to rename and move the extracted directory to Apache document root directory by using the following command. Next, change the ownership of the directory by using the following command. Next, change the permission of the directory by using the following command. Now create the virtual configuration file for Concrete CMS by using the following command. Press I to insert mode. Here insert the following virtual host. Then save and exit from the file. Now check the syntax. The syntax is okay. Now I am going to disable the default Apache welcome page by using the following command. Finally, restart the Apache service to apply all changes. Now go to the web browser. Here search our IP address. Now we can see the Concrete CMS installation page. Here click the continue to installation icon. Here we need to fill our information. Here I am giving name as admin. Here enter the email address. Here enter the password. Confirm the password here. Here enter our database username. Here enter our database password. Enter the database name here. Then mark the checkbox here and click install Concrete CMS icon. Ignore the warning message and click install Concrete CMS icon. It will take some time to install. Now the installation has been completed. Here click the edit your site icon. Now we can see the Concrete CMS welcome page. By this way you can install Concrete CMS on Rocky Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.